Hello guys, this is my compact battery. So this cars won't start because the battery was drained. So I'm using my compact battery. So first we need to connect the cable first. After connecting the cable, we need to on that one. Then connect the positive and negative in the battery. So this battery have a plus light also. This is a multi-function battery, and if you are not in the house and your cell phone was running out of power, you can use this battery also, and you can charge this battery like a cell phone. So yeah, let's see. We start the car for this time. Yeah, even though my 5.7 truck, it will start easily for this kind of battery. So soon I'm